guys, welcome back to another video. You're probably wondering why it's dark outside and why I'm with a Jeep. Well, today's video is kind of already been filmed and I'm kind of going back in time to make the rest of the day make sense. Today's video is going to be focused around how to become a filmmaker in a small town. I live in a small town, not really, but you know, still the same thing. Here's my story. Apply it to yourself. Like, hey, if he can do it, I can do it. Type of thing. Let's just get into it. Start it. Alright, so we got the video done. Oh, hold on. The best part about doing videos is this right here. That's how you make it, boys. Oh, I just threw change. That's how rich I am. I'm just throwing change everywhere. Let's go! So I figured out why I can't have money, because I just spend it. I mean, I hadn't even had this money for like 5 minutes and I'm already spending it. Look at the Jeep. Look, I'm already spending it. Come on. I'm gonna do a vlog.
Give me my steering wheel.
Keeping your steering over 5 seconds. Alright, so I ended up going to do another video. What you in there? What you driving?
It's basically a Miata, but
it's a Miata.
Better.
A better Miata.
Yeah.
Well, here's your steering wheel, kind sir. Let's get this video done.
Okay.
I'm strapped in. We're going for a little spin. We're being. I'll hold it for you. Yeah, I'll hold the steering wheel for you. All right, guys. How you make money filming videos is you find a buddy. You find a buddy with a cool car, and then you go, "Hey, man, do you want to film a video?" That's how it works. You ever want to know why? And then you get to ride in it too. So like it's like multiple. Look at this thing. I feel like I have a little V-strap on. The V-strap. I feel like it's like a bra or something. I probably shouldn't say that. It's a what now?
It's a 6-point harness.
6-point harness. That's what it is, guys. I've always wanted to do car videos. You ever watch like Handigan and stuff? Yeah. Just make car videos all day. Imagine this is like your job.
You might have to tell me.
Oh, you're good. Oh my gosh, that was crazy. Dude. Today's video is supposed to be motivational, and it wasn't, because I don't think I told the story right, but I needed money, I was broke, I used my skills to make money. That's kind of the idea of the whole thing. I'm gonna leave. Subscribe, and yeah, peace.